Future tense. In this module, you'll learn about future tense and its uses. Simple future tense expresses an action or a situation that will occur in the future. It has two different forms: will, shall, plus simple form of the verb, and is, are, am, plus going to. Though the two forms can sometimes be used interchangeably, they often express two very different meanings. However, both the forms refer to a specific time in the future. Let's see how they can be used. In future tense, will or be and going to is used to express a prediction about the future. Example, next Tuesday will be a great day for me. In this sentence, will is used to express a prediction about the future, in this case, being a great day for me. Instead of will, be plus going to can also be used. In that case, the sentence can be written as, next Tuesday is going to be a great day for me. In future tense, be plus going to is used to express a future plan. For example, I'm going to represent our school in the 4th inter-school swimming competition. In this sentence, be plus going to is used to express a future plan, representing our school in the 4th inter-school swimming competition. Will is also used to express a promise. For example, I'll do my very best to take part in the race. In this sentence, will is used to express a promise, doing my best to take part in the race. Will can also be used to express a voluntary action. For example, we'll gather around the swimming pool and cheer for you on that day. In this sentence, will is used to express a voluntary action, gathering around the swimming pool and cheering you on that day. Let's recall what we've learned. Simple future tense expresses an action or a situation that will occur in the future. It has two different forms: will, shall, plus simple form of the verb, and is, are, am, plus going to. Though the two forms can sometimes be used interchangeably, they often express two very different meanings.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Learning Mavericks.